Curacao, real difference.
Nature, sea, culture. These are three words which describe Curacao. Come and join our beautiful island located in the Caribbean Sea. We are a part of the EBC Island where you will experience an unforgettable vacation. The main language spoken in Curacao is Papiamento. We have one-way flights available via different countries, and we have an international airport. We are a blessed island because hurricanes are not very common here. Our capital is Willemstad. This is our beautiful hometown, Tumba.
I'm standing now on Queen Emma Bridge. This connects Puna and Ottoman. Curacao has many beaches which can be found all over with white sand and blue seas. There are some free beaches and some beaches which have to be paid for, and this mostly includes a ticket and a chair. There are some restaurants at these beaches, if not, there are plenty nearby. Curacao is one of the best islands to come for snorkeling and seeing the beautiful underwater life. These seas have sunken ships, different colored fish, and many corals. Activities that can be done on water here are kayaking and windsurfing. Curacao has many places to shop, such as Punda, Otrobanda, Yantil Mall, Suikertuin Mall, and more little neighborhood malls that can be found here and there. Aside of Curaçao's beautiful nature, you can find birds chirping, see beautiful sights, and also climb our famous mountain.
Cristóbal is the highest mountain in Curaçao. Bocatara is one of the places where you can go sightseeing and see how the wave hit the rocks. And there is a bridge that was formed by Mother Nature. Curaçao is a multicultural island. We celebrate Carnival, which where people dress up and walk on the roads to show their customs while dancing to the music of Curaçao on the roads of Otrobanda. Another name for this is called Tumba. Carnival is celebrated during the months of January and February.
We also celebrate Sehu. This is when people dress up in clothes from the olden days and walk around in a parade in Otrobanda while dancing to music from previous years ago. This is a celebration of how life used to be a few years ago, and this tradition is usually celebrated in April. There are many townhouses that can be seen. People even used to live in them, and they are built in a special form. Nightlife can be enjoyed in various ways, like going to different nightclubs here on the island, while dancing to different kinds of music. For the people who like to sport or play golf, for example, golf can be played at the Brakoput Meimei. They have a special mid-get golf section there. We have hotels that offer bar, casino, and restaurants that have different types of food, and our main food, which is called criollo.
For a family vacation, a relaxation, a wedding, or any kind of vacation, come to Curaçao.
Here we are in Airport Village, and here we have many restaurants and shops.
This is the artificial beach of Renaissance Hotel. This is the Renaissance Hotel,
Where you can eat.
And shop and do a lot of things. So what are you waiting for? Haven't we convinced you yet? Come to Curacao and experience a marvelous vacation.
Curacao, the best choice.